All right, guys, here we are to talk about that RPM, that roof preventative maintenance. I brought my buddy Aaron along with me to tell you why you need to do it, more importantly, how to do it, but to also introduce you to some of our fantastic techs that we have at Gander RV and Outdoors, like Aaron. So Aaron, why is it so important to do RPM?
Well, the RPM is going to make sure that your roof lasts the life of the RV. It'll keep it clean, and it'll keep it protected from the sun, keep it from cracking and just damaging effects that can happen outside.
Now, what if you have a cover for the RV?
A cover's good, but you can still generate heat up under the cover that can damage the roof, the rubber, and the ceiling. Okay, so
that I didn't know. I always thought cover was the answer to everything. Yeah. But even if you have one, how often should you do that RPM?
You want to do it at least every 6 months.
Okay.
And that's going to be your best bet to make sure that your roof lasts.
So if I don't have time to bring my RV to you guys to let you do it, what are some quick, easy tips and tricks you can tell me that I can make sure to do it right? I guess first I got to clean it, right?
Yeah, you got to clean it, and you'd use a rubber roof cleaner.
Something like this?
Yeah, if you have a rubber roof on your RV or camper, and you get up there with a soft bristle brush and apply this directly to the roof, and then just scrub. I mean, the more you scrub, the better. You want to make sure you get all the loose dirt and grime off, you know, the mold and mildew that could possibly be up there that keeps your sealant from actually sticking to the roof.
So let's say I got a 30-foot camper. Roughly estimate how long would it take me just to clean and protect?
Well, it's going to take you at least 2 hours to clean it and protect it.
So that's good to know, because if you don't have that time to allot to make sure you do it right, bring it to our guys so they can get it right. All right, so I got it clean. Now I want to protect and make sure I got the RV sealed and ready to roll. What do I use next?
You want to use a UV protectant that'll protect the roof from the sun and everything that could happen outside. You know, it keeps the rubber pliable, and it keeps it soft where it can move when your RV's moving, and it'll keep it from letting your sealant crack. And
of course, we do have these products available at Gander RV and Outdoors, so if you want to come get them, you absolutely can. So I got it clean, I got it protected, now I need to seal it. And I noticed you had some of these back there. Hope you don't mind I stole them.
Oh, no.
This is Superflex, which I know it's a good brand, but is this what you recommend?
Yeah, I mean, it's what we sell in the store, and it works really good on rubber roofs and fiberglass.
And I see you got the non-sag and the self-leveling. What's the difference between the two?
Well, the self-leveling is going to be for your horizontal applications that are basically laying flat, so you can run a bead out of the caulk gun, and then it will spread itself out, and it'll make it nice and uniform over top of cracks or any type of voids you may have in your pre-existing sealant.
So would this be good to do a side-by-side bead?
Yes, and you just want to make sure that if you are doing beads side-by-side that they're touching, so when they level out, they're going to meet, and it'll make a continuous seal. Nice.
And we got the non-sag. So what is this for?
The non-sag is going to be for your vertical application, so it's not dripping. Yeah, over the rollover on the edge of the camper, so it's not dripping and causing a mess down the side of your camper.
Right. So if you want either one of these products, you can buy them, Gander RV and Outdoors. But as always, instead of trying to do it yourself, which you absolutely can, I would suggest come to the experts. That's why we have great guys like Aaron to help you and make sure that it's done right. But as always, you can get this information and more at ganderoutdoors.com. Aaron, as always, fantastic, brother. Thank you so much for your time.
Oh, yeah.
Keep around, because we're going to have more tips and tricks like this to help you right here at Gander RV and Outdoors. I'm Chris Young. Thank you so much for spending time with us today. Look forward to seeing you soon. And as always, come talk to the specialists and take care of your RV.